draw Princess Jasmine. So first, we're gonna start with her head. Draw her hair on, and then we'll draw a little circle there, and then make a little trim. Her headband will start with the eyes. Okay, and now we'll draw her nose. Then we'll her mouth, smiley face, and final part, we'll draw her body now. So on like that, and then close it, and go up and then down, and then add a little slope right here, like going on a sled. Then add that, add another one, and then make it look like that. And we're gonna draw her tummy. Then stop right here in the middle of her jumpsuit. And then we'll kind of erase this a bit. But don't worry, we'll get to the back of it later. And then you notice Jasmine has a little thing on her jumpsuit. And we're gonna work on her hands. And then we'll just work a little on her jumpsuit there. And then that's it for the jumpsuit. And we're gonna try to work on her earrings. So just draw a line like that. And then make an oval shaped line like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Finally, we'll work on her hair. So, practically, her hair looks like this. And then, so we have to draw two lines there and do the same thing on the other side. And kind of shaded it in a little bit so that it looks 3D. And finally, we're gonna draw her shoes. Alright, and we're gonna try to color her kits. Okay, and there, my friends, that is how you draw Princess Jasmine from Aladdin. Don't forget to write your name.